Got another set of wheels here to try on this monster truck. They're the same size rims as these, but the tyres are a little bit taller and they're a little bit wider. So they're actually Maverick Strada MT wheel rims, but it's just the tyres are different. So I'm going to give those a go. You can see now just how much wider they actually are. The height difference isn't that much, but what I'll do is once I put these on, I'll take it for a test run and give it a speed run with the GPS on the back, just to see how much difference it makes. I reckon it'll probably even make the car a little bit slower, but that's not really a bad thing. I just don't want it to actually reduce the acceleration too much, because obviously putting bigger wheels on will actually affect the acceleration. So I don't mind the top end being slower, but we'll give it a speed test and see how it runs. This is a trick when doing up these tyres or wheels. I've tightened this up and it's actually gone a little bit tight. You have to just keep reducing how tight you've made them until you're comfortable with how freely the wheels turn. Because unfortunately you can't just tighten these wheels up as tight as you like. You have to tighten them so there's not too much resistance. I think that looks loads better with bigger wheels on. It really looks like a proper monster truck now. But we'll give it a run and see what it's like. Well, I couldn't really see any negatives of running the bigger tyres on these rims. Probably the only thing which could be upgraded, to be honest, is probably a better servo really. It's only a 3 kilogram servo in here, so if I upgraded it to a 9, it'd probably help turning the wheels, say, on the grass. But apart from that, it's a little bit slower. It's 31 miles an hour instead of 34. Which doesn't make that much difference. The acceleration still seems pretty good, but I could always try it on 3S, you know, on a 3S LiPo to see if that makes much difference. But apart from that, I'm quite happy with these tyres, to be honest. So I'll probably stick with these.